home appliances make household chores much easier. This series covers 4 essential appliances: washing machine, dryer, dishwasher, and vacuum cleaner. Each appliance has specific features, maintenance needs, and safety precautions that every homeowner should know. Washing machines come in different types for various needs. Front-load machines load clothes from the front door and use less water and energy while cleaning gently. Top-load agitator machines have a central post that moves clothes vigorously and complete cycles faster, but use more water. Top-load impeller machines use a low-profile disc for gentler cleaning and better energy efficiency. Some advanced models combine both agitator and impeller actions for customizable washing. Modern washing machines include several important features. They save water and energy, especially front-load models that use 30 to 50% less water than traditional machines. High spin speeds from 800 to 1400 revolutions per minute extract more water from clothes, reducing drying time. Multiple wash cycles handle different fabrics: normal for everyday clothes, quick for lightly soiled items, delicate for special fabrics, and heavy-duty for very dirty work clothes. Inverter motors make operation quieter with less vibration. Clothes dryers also have different types based on installation and efficiency needs. Vented dryers connect to outside air vents for fastest drying, but require proper ventilation. Condenser dryers collect moisture in a water tank, so they work anywhere without external venting. Heat pump dryers recycle hot air, making them the most energy-efficient option. Gas dryers use natural gas for heating, but need gas line connection and proper venting. Dryers offer time-saving features for busy households. Quick drying cycles finish loads in under an hour. Heat pump technology reduces electricity use by recycling warm air. Special settings protect delicate fabrics while removing wrinkles. Smart sensors automatically adjust drying time based on moisture levels to save energy. Inverter motors provide smooth, quiet operation without excessive noise or vibration. Regular maintenance prevents most dryer problems. Clean the lint trap after every load to maintain airflow and prevent fires. Deep clean the lint screen every 6 months by washing it thoroughly. Wipe the dryer drum regularly to remove residue buildup. Check and clean the exhaust vent system yearly to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. Common dryer problems have simple solutions. If the dryer won't start, check power supply, door switch, and thermal fuse. No heat usually means clogged lint filter or faulty heating element needs cleaning or replacement. Loud noises or vibration indicate unleveled dryer or worn drum rollers and belt. Wet clothes after drying signal blocked vent or overloaded machine, restricting airflow. Dryer fires cause thousands of home fires yearly. Never overload the dryer, as this blocks airflow and creates heat buildup. Always clean lint filter before and after each load, since lint is highly flammable. Keep flammable materials away from the dryer area. Never leave a running dryer unattended. Ensure exhaust vents stay clear of obstructions. Gas dryers need annual professional inspections. Follow this maintenance schedule for dryer longevity. Daily, clean lint filter after each use. Monthly, vacuum behind dryer and deep clean lint screen. Quarterly, thoroughly clean entire exhaust vent system. Annually, schedule professional inspection and service to check electrical components, heating elements, and safety systems. Washing machines offer front and top load options with energy-saving features and multiple cycles. Dryers come as vented, condenser, or heat pump models requiring regular lint removal and vent cleaning. Key maintenance includes cleaning filters regularly and ensuring proper ventilation for all appliances. Safety remains priority. Avoid overloading, follow maintenance schedules, and schedule professional servicing annually.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.